And Then There Were None by Agatha Christie. 10 strangers are invited to an isolated island where they are accused of past crimes and systematically killed, following the lines of a chilling nursery rhyme. This story explores moral and philosophical issues related to justice, guilt, and evil. And the story explores collective responsibility and the line between victim and perpetrator, showing us to reflect on human morality and the effectiveness of retribution in dealing with wrongdoing. And Then There Were None by Agatha Christie is a story that explores mystery. The story is set on a soldier island where 10 individuals are invited to go there. Each of them has committed crimes for which they were never held accountable. Each character's death is symbolic of their crime. Through that delves into themes of justice, guilt, and retribution. And Then There Were None is a captivating mystery that explores how people cope with guilt, fear, consequences of their actions. Christie's exploration of the human psyche and chaos makes it a thought-provoking read. The inescapable fate of the characters challenges readers to consider their actions in similar situations, highlighting the questions of true justice.